Incredible health benefits of citronella essential oil. The health benefits of citronella essential oil can be attributed to its properties as an antibacterial, antidepressant, antiseptic, antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory, deodorant, diaphoretic, diuretic, febrifuge, fungicidal, insect repellent, stomachache, stimulant, tonic, and vermifuge substance. Citronella is a grass that mainly grows in some Asian countries and some islands of South Pacific. It has rich, crispy lemon aroma and thus bears the name citronella.
Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.
Antibacterial. Components like methyl isoeugenol and a few other compounds that are found in this essential oil are responsible for this property. They kill bacteria and inhibit any further bacterial growth in the body. This is particularly helpful in treating infections in the wounds, as well as in the colon, urethra, urinary bladder, stomach, intestine, urinary tract, prostate, and kidneys. Antidepressant. This oil fights depression and gives relief from anxiety, sadness, negative feelings. It induces a fresh, happy feeling and hope. Antiseptic. The antiseptic properties of this essential oil fights infections in wounds, as well as the urinary tracts, urethra, prostate, and kidneys, while simultaneously protecting them from being sepsis. Antispasmodic. It relieves spasm of muscles, respiratory system, and nervous system. It also helps to cure menstrual spasm and give relief from symptoms such as cramps and coughs. Anti-inflammatory. Citronella essential oil sedates inflammation, particularly those situations which pertains to liver, stomach, intestine, and other parts of digestive system. The inflammation caused as a side effect of drugs, excessive use of alcohol or narcotics, hard and spicy foods, any disease or any toxic elements getting into the body can also be soothed using this oil. Diuretic. The increase in frequency and quantity of urination due to this property of citronella essential oil has many benefits. It disposes of waste substances and toxins from the body, including uric acid, excess bile, acid, and salts, as well as water and fats. This helps reduce weight, eliminate infections in the urinary system, free the body from toxins, reduces the chances of renal calculi, rheumatism, and arthritis, improve digestion, and keep the heart healthy.
Fungicidal. This oil kills fungus and inhibits fungal growth. This is very useful in countering the fungal infections in the ear, nose, and throat region. Contracting fungal infections in the ear is very common and can be very serious. It eliminated fungal infections in other parts of the body as well as helped cure the fungal dysentery. Insect repellent. This is one of the most commonly used properties of this essential oil, as it kills and keeps away insects. It has been found particularly effective on a species of mosquito called Aedes aegypti, whose bite causes the dreaded yellow fever. This is also effective on lice, body and head louse, and fleas. Stimulant. The stimulating effect of essential oil of citronella stimulates blood circulation, secretion, and discharges like hormones and enzymes from the glands, brain, while also increasing activity in the nervous system. This essential oils also stimulate the immune mechanism and metabolism of the body. Tonic. This property means the citronella essential oil has overall tonic effect on the body. It tones up digestion, excretion, the nervous system, and brain, while fortifying the body. Vermifuge. Citronella essential oil kills intestinal worms. It should be administered in mild doses to child, since children are most prone to worms. It is effective on both roundworms and tapeworms. Since the presence of worms interferes with the normal physical and mental growth and also with the absorption of nutrients by the body, the use of this oil can greatly increase your quality of life by eliminating those dangerous parasites.